Hi everyone, it's Miss Maureen here. So today we're going to do a little science experiment. The materials you're going to need are paper towels, 2 cups or jars that are like the same size. You see how these are the same size? You want them to be even. You don't want one to be very tall. You kind of need them to be even. That works best. And something clear is probably best too, so that you can see what's happening. So I'm gonna put this right back here so y'all can see it. Okay, so what we're gonna do is a wicking experiment. Oh, and you also need food coloring too. Definitely need some food coloring. We've done this at school before. Let's see what colors I have in here. I have yellow. I have blue. And I have green. All right. So what we're going to do is you're going to rip off kind of like a nice size paper towel, maybe like 2 or 3, okay? And then you're going to roll it up like this, almost like roll it up like a paper towel tube. And put it nice and tight. Roll it up, see, like this, and then you arch it like this. It kind of makes like a rainbow shape, like an arch, see that? And I have 2 ends. I have one end here and one end here, and then they're both gonna go right in the water like this. But before I do that, we're gonna add food coloring, okay? What's gonna happen is that the paper towels are going to absorb the water. That means they're gonna suck it all in along with the food coloring, and something's gonna happen. I'm not gonna tell you. Some of you might already remember. Okay, so why don't we do some color mixing? How about some blue, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, some blue drops, and some yellow drops, I guess. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When it comes out, it kind of looks a little orange, doesn't it, in there? The cap says it's yellow, so we'll see what happens. Maybe a little bit more of the yellow because it's not as dark as the blue. Maybe 1 more squirt of blue. The thing is, you just have to experiment with it. Try different amounts. Okay, so now I'm going to put one end in either. I feel like this one might be a little long. Well, if I break it in half, it'll be too short. No, I don't think this is good. All right, here we go. You ready? I'm going to put them both in. Right in the water like that. All right, so the paper towel started off as white, right? Can you see what's starting to happen here? Starting to travel up the paper towel. The paper towel is absorbing it all in. Kind of like the root of a plant. That's how the plant drinks. It sucks it all in. See that? So this experiment takes a little while. You can see it's starting to work right away. But if you wait and sort of watch it throughout the day or throughout the morning, whatever, it will get all colored. And if you want to get really fancy, you could add a 3rd cup. And then you could do some color mixing. Like if I had red mixed with the yellow, I could make orange, right? Yeah, like red and blue, I could make purple. So there it is. That is a wicking experiment. Isn't that cool? Pull it up a little, see that? It's going to travel all the way up. Do you think it's going to go to here, or do you think it's going to go all the way and meet in the middle? Because that's what usually happens. Yeah, it meets in the middle and it changes the color. And something easy you guys can do, and if you don't have food coloring, you can use watercolor paint. And you can use whatever colors you want and see what kind of combinations you could come up with. Pretty cool, huh? Ooh, see this one? It's starting to come up right here. Ooh, pretty neat, huh? Maybe you guys could do all the colors of the rainbow. I don't know. All right, guys. Bye. Have fun experimenting. Bye.